Senator, if this is overturned, how much is this going to hurt the minority community as well?
This is going to fall hardest on the most vulnerable women in our country.
I've never seen you so angry. You seem to be...
This is what the Republicans have been working towards.
You, as a leader, would stand for the dismemberment of minority communities, and those in the room is despicable and disgusting.
I am angry because we have reached the culmination of what Republicans have been fighting for, angling for decades now, and we are going to fight back. I am angry because of who will pay the price for this. It will not be wealthy women. Wealthy women can get on an airplane. They can fly to another state. They can fly to another country. They can get the protection they need. This will fall on the poorest women in our country. This will fall on those who have been raped. This will fall on mothers who are already struggling to work 3 jobs to be able to support the children they have. Well, I am here because I am angry, and I am here because the United States Congress can change all of this. Angry, but committed. Understand this. Understand this. I have seen the world where abortion is illegal. And we are not going back. Not ever. No. So say it with me. We are not going back. We are not going back. Not ever. Not ever. Not ever. Not ever. Not ever. Not ever.
We have huge breaking news tonight, and I can't even believe I'm going to tell you what I'm about to tell you. But in a highly, indeed, as far as I can tell, utterly unprecedented leak from the Supreme Court, Politico has obtained what they say is an initial draft majority opinion written by Justice Alito showing the Supreme Court striking down Roe versus Wade. Quote, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, Alito writes. We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled, he writes in the document labeled as the opinion of the court. Again, I'm reading from the Politico article. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. Now,
It is just significant to look at what the president has said recently, though, about this issue. He has said women's reproductive health is under assault in this country. In the State of the Union address, he called for Congress to enact the protections of Roe versus Wade, the protections on abortion rights, into federal law. That's led to some prominent Democratic officials, including Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren, to call for this moment to do just that. It would require changing the Senate filibuster's rule, lowering the voting threshold to 50. Obviously, we wouldn't expect any Republicans to support this. That's an internal fight for Democrats. But we will likely, as I say,
it is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. The report says Justices Clarence Thomas, Brett Kavanaugh, Neil Gorsuch, and Amy Coney Barrett all voted to support the Alito opinion. Tonight, protesters gathered outside the U.S. Supreme Court. Roe has guaranteed women the right to an abortion, but this opinion would now say it's up to state legislatures. It should be clear that early drafts of opinions can change, so there's no guarantee that this is the final decision. Tonight, New York Governor Kathy Hochul called the news of the High Court's leaked decision a disgrace, adding, "We will
tonight with that breaking news out of Washington, an unprecedented leak from the Supreme Court."
It sure is, and it now raises questions about the future of Roe versus Wade and what this means for abortion rights in our country. CBS 2's Dick Brennan in our newsroom with the latest on this. Dick?
Well, Christina Maurice, if indeed this is true, and CBS 2 has not confirmed the authenticity of this report, this could be the most consequential opinion in decades. Politico reports the Supreme Court could be poised to strike down Roe v. Wade and its supporting precedents.